Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video we will talk about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is the second tense after simple present. It talks about the action which is going on at the time of speaking, but in present tense only. Always keep in mind that. So first of all, identification, what identification we have is that the action is going on. The action is going on at the time of speaking. That makes it very sure that it is present continuous tense. This is easy, or we can say easier than simple present tense. How? Let's see. Example, he is reading a book. I am planning a trip. They are calling the peon. I have given you three examples, one with singular, he, one with I, because I is treated differently in present continuous tense, another is with plural subject. You see, singular subject we are using is, with I we are using am, with they we are using are, right? That is very common. For singulars is, for I, am, for plurals we are using are. Another thing which is to notice is main verb ing, main verb ing, main verb ing. In all the three, singular, plural, or whatever the number of the subject is, we always use main verb. Main verb, which form? Main verb with ing, not any other form. And ing is always put with main verb first form, right? Now we will see negative version of it, how to make it negative. The first one I am taking. Remember, I told you in simple present tense that not is always inserted in the sentence before the main verb. Yes, that's right. So it will be he is not reading a book. The second one, I am not planning a trip. The third one, it will be they are not calling the peon. How is it? It's very easy. He is not reading a book. I am not planning a trip. They are not calling the peon. You can see not. Just inserted before main verb, right? There is no other place fixed for not except before the main verb. Now we'll come to the interrogatives. How the interrogatives are made. I told you that thing also. For interrogatives, we simply take the helping of out. Interrogatives, the first one will be, is he reading a book, and a question mark. The second one, am I planning a trip. Third one, are they calling the peon, right? Simply I have taken out the helping, like this is they are, am, and is, that is kept in the beginning. Another is interrogative plus negative. The same way we have to insert not, and where do we insert not? Just before the main verb. The first one, it will be, is he not reading a book, and question mark remains as usual. Am I not planning a trip? Third one, are they not calling the peon? Right? Is he not reading a book? Am I not planning a trip? Are they not calling the peon? That is how it becomes interrogative and negative both together. Right? Now let's come to the structure of the tense. Structure, this is just kind of a formula as we have in mathematics. Simply put the values and you will remember, you will get the answer of it. How to do it all? I am giving you only one here. Subject plus is, am, are. Anyone out of these? Is for singular, am for I, are for plural, right? Plus main verb ing plus object, right? Hope this one is enough. You can make the negatives also out of this. Negative, simply insert not where it will be before main verb. Interrogatives, take this helping verb out of that. That is easy. Hope you can understand that better in this way, right? Thank you very much.